If you don't keep up, you're going to fall behind.
This program is very structured.
It really was an eye-opener.
This program taught me about leadership, how to lead an organization, bring everyone together and introduce these AI-related features.
It is very practical. It teaches you how to actually apply it to your business.
This program gives you exposure to not just the technology, but also how do you apply this technology, what kind of thought processes needs to take place before you decide on digital transformation.
It's very valuable to the one coming from non-technical background like me. Very inspiring, relevant to public sector in order for us to change.
It puts us into perspective in how to critically solve the issues of the digital transition in a practical way.
I would definitely recommend this program because of the immersive classroom experience that I have.
It provides a structure for digital transformation leaders to work with and bring this value to their organization.
In the world of digital transformation, we must be ready to embrace digitalization. I believe it's very important for all of us to just upskill, unlearn and relearn.